Are you tired of your bracelets making a mess and cluttering up your room? Well, not for long, because me and Bridge are going to show you how to make a jewelry organizer using only dowels, some yarn, and some paint. Hey guys, it's Nat, and the first DIY I'm going to show you how to make is the DIY jewelry organizer. So what you're going to need for this craft is some dowels, and you could do as many as you like, some string any color, a paintbrush, some paint of your color choice, and a palette. So the first thing you're going to want to do is paint your dowels the color of your choice, or if you want to go for that minimal look, you can just leave them plain as we have here, but I'm going to paint them white just to make for a more cleaner look, and I'll be back once I do that. Okay guys, I am back and I have painted my dowels. So now what you're going to want to do is take your yarn, the color of your choice, and you're just going to want to cut it to whatever length you want, depending how many dowels you're going to do. We cut ours really long, as you can see here, but if it's too long at the end, once you've secured all your dowels, you could just cut it off. So what you're going to want to do is lay out your string like this, and as you can see, we have a little loop at the top here to hang it once it's done. But what you're going to want to do is take your first dowel here and lay it out like so, and you're just going to want to take this loop part of here and the end of your string, and you're just going to want to make a knot. So now you have a little loop to hang it at the end, and you're just going to want to kind of repeat that for the next dowels. So you're going to space out your dowel like this, and you're just going to want to tie a knot between this end and the end here, and make sure to center it. Like so. And you're just going to want to repeat that for your next dowels. Okay guys, I am done securing my dowels. So on your last dowel, all you're going to want to do is tie a knot at the bottom just to secure it. Do it as close to the dowel as possible, like so. And you're just going to want to cut the excess yarn like so, and you're done. It's a really cute and a simple DIY, and it'll really help you organize your jewelry.
Are you tired of having your paintbrushes and pencils around and not knowing where to put them? Well, you're in luck, because I'm about to show you how to organize them with only a jar and some beads. Let's Hey guys, it's Bridge, and now we're going to show you how to do probably the easiest DIY there is. So you're just going to need a jar and some beads to organize your pencils and paintbrushes. And you're just going to want to put the beads inside the jar. And now you just stick all your pencils and paintbrushes inside, and it's really easy and neat.
Are you tired of having your clothing all over your floors, beds, and chairs and not knowing how to organize it? Well, do we have a DIY for you? What you're going to do for this DIY is, all you're going to need is some cardboard. So all you're going to want to do is cut your cardboard to the exact dimension that you need in your drawer. Now, we didn't have enough cardboard, so this is going to be a little loose in here, but we're going to make it work. But the important part is to make it exact, so it'll be tight and a nice fit there. And now all we got to do is put our clothing in. thanks so much for watching. If you want to see more of these organizational DIY videos, then
Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe.
bye.